Unboxing Day! Yay!
What do you know about honey production, pollinators, and the importance of bees to your everyday life? Well, Mattel wants you to know, and I couldn't be any more excited. Thank you to my friend and beekeeper Lindsay for letting me know about this awesome Barbie, Beekeeper Barbie. Oh my goodness, I'm so impressed by Mattel for having a beekeeper theme. She's had a lot of careers, this girl, but this one is so spectacular because it's really about making sure that there's awareness with kiddos like you about the cool little bees and how they, like other pollinators, like birds and butterflies, make sure that we have food on our table, oils to cook with, all sorts of awesome things, and not to mention honey. So let's look at this. Okay, so we have two little honey bears and honeybees, of course. Happy hunting, little guy. Here's your honey bottle in the shape of an adorable little honey bear. Perfect. You'll get pink and orange flowers that go into a flower pot that fit into your stand. The honeycomb comes out like this. It's so beautiful. Looks like honey. It's honey filled. Slides in and out easily. Your honeybees have a place to come in and out. You have a spout for the honey. And then, of course, my favorite, the wheel. These adorable little bees have pegs, so they sit on the flowers, and you could pretend they're collecting nectar, pollinating the flowers. It's really adorable. I love that we have some tech in here. Research how to protect bees, or how to grow bee and butterfly habitat, or maybe just calculate out your honey production. So many cool ways to pretend. So it should fit in here, but I'm having a little trouble. Okay, E is for engineering. There we go. We love you, Mattel. Again with the wheel. I love this thing. All right, let's look at Barbie. All right. Barbie comes in a light complexion or a dark complexion, so you pick. She's got a super cool hat that has the beekeeper netting to keep her safe. She's got an awesome jacket also to keep her safe and gloves. So beekeepers are so important because they're helping to keep the population of bees healthy, and they need this sort of protection to make sure that they're safe from bees when they are collecting honey or taking care of the hives, because ultimately they are kind of getting into the houses of the bees, and you would be kind of upset too, right? But out in nature, when you see a bee like this guy, let's call him George. Little George is very happy, and he's having a good time collecting nectar for the queen honey and the babies, and I am just taking a clipping for my last time video from last week, and both of us harmoniously enjoyed our little morning, and everything was just fine. You let bees alone, they let you alone, okay? So enjoy yourselves outside. Enjoy insects and looking at them and learning about nature, but definitely leave them alone because, as they say, bees are very busy. So again, here's this super cute toy for you guys to enjoy. I'm so proud of Mattel. Bees pollinating and providing, therefore, food for us is just so important. And Mattel saying, hey, we need to bring awareness about this to little kids is awesome. This packaging, you can see even still, is super cute. Fruits, vegetables, beautiful flowers, all having to do with the bees and other pollinators like butterflies and birds, obviously, bats, other insects, etc. So listen, look at all this trash. Make sure to recycle. Put it in the recycle bin, not in the trash. Saturday is National Honeybee Day, so think about getting outdoors. Visit a butterfly garden. Think about planting one for yourself. Either way, get outdoors and have a wonderful weekend.
Thanks for watching.